with Charm Grammy Crochet, and I am in the dining room again today because we're trying something new. So welcome, and I hope you want to watch me for the first time ever do a pour painting. I've never done it before, not quite sure if I'm doing it right. I think the paints that I purchased, by the way, they were on clearance for the whole kit at Michael's for $1. So I thought, what the heck, it's not really a hardship if I screw it up or it looks like caca, which it might look like caca. I didn't really choose the colors. I just chose how I poured, because they all came in one kit. I just chose how I poured them in. So enjoy this. The actual video I made first, you won't be able to see till tomorrow because it won't be ready to view. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, this is experiment number 2, something I've always wanted to do and never have done. Have you ever seen where they take the plastic or the canvas? I got this canvas for $1 from the Dollar Tree, and it is on a little frame. So it's, you know, the kind that's on the frame, not just the, because they have the kind that's not on the frame. But anyway, this was $1 at the Dollar Tree. And they pour the paint over. So this, I was at Michael's, was $1 as well. It's acrylic paint. I don't know if it's the right kind of acrylic paint, but I mean, it's acrylic paint. You see them, I've seen them on YouTube many times pouring the paint. So this is the colors that I have: black, brown, blue, yellow, white, and red. And apparently you take the colors, I'm taking them all out, getting it all prepared. You take the colors out and you pour them. I don't even know if this is enough paint. But you pour them in a, I don't have, all of my disposable cups are in the camper. So I don't have one here. So I'm using this, which is for egg dyeing, from an old egg dyeing kit. And I'm going to pour the colors individually into this thing, and then you pour them over the canvas and you see what you get. You let it dry, you make a mess. Sounds like a lot of fun, right? Okay, let's turn you around. All right, here we go. Trying new things, video number 2. I wish I had a purple in here, because you know that is my fave, but I think, I hope I can get these open. Okay. Oh, of course. Oh, can you guys even see what I got going on here? I don't know if you, yeah, you can see me. All right. All right. Oh, that's thick. Okay, we're just gonna put. Apparently, we should have opened these prior to. Might have been a good idea. But we're just going to go with the flow. Oh, see, they have a little pull tab. They have a little pull tab I hadn't noticed before. I'm assuming I'm going to put most of these colors in here. I really don't want to use a lot of the dark colors, but we'll see how it goes. I might need to fill it up. You never know. These are, I think, 2 ounces each in a jar. And, oh, come on, little pull tab. I figure for $2, I'm going to experiment and see what happens. We're going to, let's see, go with a little bit of black, I think. Well, might work better if the paint came out. I don't think it's going to pour very well this way. Oh, there it goes. Well, this is pretty thick. I don't want a lot of black anyway. And then I think we're going to go with a little bit of brown. Excuse me. Come on, brown. Doesn't work so well if the paint doesn't come out. I'm going to get a toothpick. Mix it up a little. Hold on just 1 second. Alright, so I've decided that the paint wasn't thick enough, or was too thick, so I watered it down a little, and I'm going to put more black in. Come on now. So I've decided also that the first in is the last out. So I'm going to load up the black, then I'm going to add the brown. The black might not be thin enough, but I really don't want a lot of black anyway. Come on, brown. Get my brown little stick over here and mix it up a little more. I added about a tablespoon of water. I thought I mixed them up pretty good, but we'll see. Yep, maybe it needs a little bit more water. Like I said, I'm not sure that this was the right kind of paint to buy, but it was for $1, so I thought, well, for $2, I'm going to give this a shot because I always wanted to try it. And see how it does. Okay. Okay, now we got some brown coming out. Then I'm going to add the blue. It's a very pretty blue. Try to get most of that in there. Then the red. My Trishy loves red. Mix this yellow. It looks like it's separating a little. Okay. If this turns out or not, I'm kind of having fun playing with the paint. Come on, lots of yellow. Come on, yellow. Do you need more water too? Or no, you need more water, I guess, because you're not coming out. Probably now it's too much water. But I did mix it really good. But we'll try again. All right. Oh, now we got some yellow going on. Yellow, come on, yellow. And finally, we're gonna dump all the white in. Right on top. Okay, now it's time to pour. You know what I'm going to try? Let's see what that does. I mean, it's not much, but hey, that's kind of cool. Let's see what we get. Well, we got a lot of muddy looking stuff at the bottom. Now we're getting mostly the black and the brown, so now what do? It's not very runny. It should be, I thought, would you go going all over. Let me get some gloves. Alrighty, let's do some dumping. Uh-oh. I've seen them do this in the videos where they pour to one side, get it to cover, and then they pour it to the other side. This is why you cover your table. Let's bring it back this way and down. Come on. I kind of even like it if it doesn't cover the whole thing. This is going to take like 35 days to dry. At least. Maybe more. Well, that was kind of fun. I'm gonna dump it a little more this way. Maybe. To kind of make it go over that corner edge. Now I need to find a place to set it down. What do you think? I think I got myself a predicament here. I'm just gonna set it like this. There we go. Now it can drip all day. Well, guys, you know what? Probably. Whatever. We'll see what it ends up like. That was kind of fun. Well, thanks for watching. I'll show you what it looks like in probably 35 days when it dries, because that's really some thick paint on there. Maybe it'll need a coat of shiny. I don't know. Maybe it'll just need a trash can as a home, probably, but we'll see. Okay, thanks for watching.